Right. So till now we have what we've done in previous videos is we've spoken about an alternate data query in the filter module of Tijori. What is it? What can you run? We've also seen some samples of how you run a financial data query. So this video is going to be about, kind of joining those together. So you can run one complete query. We'll go through how to run a simple query where you can put business and financial data. And I'll also show you one or two other features that are there in filter, which might make your life easier while trying to analyze your results better or, you know, amongst other things. So again, you go to on the top right corner, you see a filter button, you click that. Let's ignore the pop-up again. So again, we have two boxes, alternate data and financial query. Alternate data is for business stuff. Financials is for the regular financials and shareholding type of data. So like I said, over here on financials, you can run, say, market cap. Let's say I want only mid cap. So market cap. Actually, let me do the best practice and always pick from the drop down. So market cap less than 20,000 crores. And I want companies with good ROC. So 5-year average ROCE greater than, say, 15%. And not too high in terms of PE. So say PE less than 25. And of course, this is a financial query and I can run it and it will give me some results. But now on top of this, we want to layer an alternate data query to further filter. So I have 747 companies here. So I might say I want companies with revenue from chemicals greater than 50% and market share greater than 40%. So sorry, 40%. So we have 747 companies. This should filter down further and make my life simpler to do research in the next stage. So we have 7 companies now. And of course, you can always see all 7 of them by going to the next page. So this was about how you run a query using both business and financial data in one place. Like you can see, finding these type of companies by actually first just filtering through financials and then going through each one of them to see which have high market share would have taken you a lot of time. You can now do it in like literally 10 seconds by just typing in the alternate data box. This is how I usually use this functionality. I just want to talk about 2 more things here. One is you might be wondering in the financial query what fields are available for you to type. So you can just click on this. It's called list of available fields. And then a pop-up comes where you can just search for whatever you're wondering. So we're wondering, can I search over ROE? All you do is type ROE and you can see it. And these are all the types of fields which are filterable based on ROE. So last year, 1-year average, 3-year average, 3-year growth, 5-year growth. So I'll just do one more example. Maybe you want to know how do I filter based on net block. Again, you just type net block and you can see it. You can also do one thing, which is you can do, just say click on 3-year growth net blocks. It changes here, press copy and then go to your query and type and 3-year growth net block greater than say 20%. Maybe I won't get too many companies. So let's do 2 lakh crore. Just to check so I get some results. So these are basically chemical companies with market share, nearly large cap companies, good ROC, low PE, and who've done decent amount of capex last 3 years. And I search and I get one company, which is the best possible result I could have asked for. So this Akshar Chem is a chemical company with high market share, good ROC, low PE, and it's done decent capex in the last 3 years. And of course, let me just remove this last criteria. And what you can also do is if take your results, you can also export it to Excel. So you just click export here in the top right, click on export. and it asks you where you want to save it, and you can just save it to Excel on your computer. So just to sum up, this was about how you run a business query along with a financial query. If you're wondering what are the universe of fields over which you can search on for financial data, just click on list of available fields and start searching here. And once you've got your companies, you can always export it to Excel, right?